that it's gonna take some getting used to. And I ain't gonna front, thought you were the one. Never would've guessed that you would fall through, baby. Cause each time I tried, girl, you made an excuse, just trying to avoid it and hiding the truth. See, you would rather run away from it. I just wanted you to say something. Still can't believe you do me like this. How could you take him to all the places I used to take you to? I thought you were someone else. Instead you leave me hanging alone by myself. I never thought I'd see the day that you'd be so cruel. Wish it was the same, probably never gonna be what it used to. But I ain't gonna stress when there's nothing left. You gonna believe acting a brand new lady. Cause each time I tried, girl, you made an excuse, just trying to avoid it and hiding the truth. See, you would rather run away from it. I just wanted you to say something. Still can't believe you do me like this. How could you take him to all the places I used to take you to? I thought you were someone else. Instead you leave me hanging alone by myself. I never thought I'd see the day that you'd be so cruel. And I don't wanna make things complicated. Gotta let you know, although this time I can't get back from you, I'm someone you just get over again. I'm trying hard to move on, but how could you take him to all the places I used to take you to? I thought you were someone else. Instead you leave me hanging alone by myself. How could you take him to all the places I used to take you to? I thought you were someone else. Instead you leave me hanging alone by myself. I never thought I'd see the day that you'd be so cruel.
Sa Lazada 4-4 Free Shipping Fest, sagot na namin ang shipping fee mo! Enjoy fast and free shipping with zero minimum spend. Shop na from April 1 to 8.
We all move to the beat of our playlists a little differently. And with millions of songs to discover on Spotify Premium, it's good to know you can listen without hearing ads. Just queue up your songs and get in your zone. Upgrade to Premium and listen your way. Tap the banner to learn more.
I swear I thought it was over till you came crashing into my brain. You come around, needing closure. The pain and the passion remains the same. Feel like I touched the moon, driving down
something good. How we get here so damn fast. Only you could tell me that, baby, 'cause you know I'm coming back. You're making me forget my past. Never thought I'd feel like that again. I gained the peace with my path. Now you got me off track. I've never been this scared before. Feelings I just can't ignore. Don't know if I should fight or fly, but I don't mind. Tripping, falling with no safety net. Boy, it must be something that you said. Is it real this time or is it in my head? Got me tripping, falling with no safety net.
Let your guard down, girl. You know we came too far now, girl. It's time for you to play your part now. You know we hit that jewelry store and we gon' ball out. Ups and downs, we had some fallouts. Put some ice on you, girl, let it thaw. Girl, you're mine, it's safe to say. At the end of the day,
I've never been this scared before. Feelings I just can't ignore. Don't know if I should fight or fly, but I don't mind.
I don't mind, I don't mind.
Tripping, falling with no safety net. Boy, it must be something that you said. Is it real this time or is it in my head? Got me tripping, falling with no safety net. Every time you feel some way, never let me run away, my baby. Every time you feel some way, never let me run away.
Yeah, you got me
Tripping, falling with no safety net. Baby, it must be
something that you
say. Is it real this time or is it in my head?
Is it all in my head?
Tripping, falling with no safety net.
If it's all just a dream, then I don't ever wanna wake up. I think I've had enough of this life, and I could lay here with you and watch the world turn. Never say a word. Drifting away on the various notes. She says she liked the way my voice hits the highs and the lows. How it reminded her of home, a familiar tone. I think we've been here before, a familiar zone. It's just all the days blend into one. It's but a speck of a world under infinite sun. So I chase the in-betweens of what I say and what I mean, hoping for a better grasp. But it's life I lead and a life I need, and what my life means. I've wasted too much time trying to hide my feelings. Now I just want me and you to watch the sunset, just soak in the view. And if it's all just a dream, then I don't ever wanna wake up. I think I've had enough of this life, and I could lay here with you and watch the world turn, never say a word. And as these seasons change and they will change, I know these feelings, they will last us till the very end. As the colors start to fade again, your heart guides me through these rising winds. But now the world's so different, yeah, the summer's not the same, but it don't matter, cause I've got you here. I'll stay by your side, my dear. We will have nothing to fear.
Ya no me enojo contigo, solo observo y pienso, me decepcionó y me alejo más de ti, porque yo ya no quiero sufrir, quiero ser feliz. Tu amor es veneno y más, y yo siento hondo